Hey everyone, it's Colleen with Colleen's Diamond Art, and I just had a package delivered. On Black Friday, during the whole fiasco, I was able to purchase 2 kits that I will show once they arrive. Something was delivered to me today, and I'm not expecting it to be in my Black Friday boxes. I'm thinking it's one of the mystery boxes. We're gonna go into my craft room and we're gonna open this box together. What it was coming. So let me just look at this receipt. So I know what's in it, and this is one of the Cyber Monday Boundary Waters by James Meeker, 41.3 by 27.6, or 104.8 centimeters by 69.9 centimeters. And I will, let's see what else I need to remember. Okay, so this is 87 colors, 3 Aurora Borealis, 2 fairy dust diamonds. It totals 118,301 total drills. And let me give you a close-up of the image. It's beautiful. So that's one. And the second one is, I'll do the mystery last. Oh, I'm so glad. I saw someone on Facebook, on the Facebook VIP group, get this box. And I'm so happy I got this one because this is the surprise. Sorry for the glare. Butterfly of Paradise by Yuri Malkov. 33 inches by 22 inches, 84 centimeters by 56 centimeters. It's a square kit because of the blue box, and 55 colors with 3 Aurora Borealis. Total diamonds is 73,703. And it's a beautiful butterfly. I'll enjoy that. Okay, and then the mystery. I'm so glad I got this one. The Animals by Steve Reed, and Pixie's very happy that I received it too. I have seen it and I like it. I'm gonna enjoy doing this one. It's 38.6 inches by 27.6 inches, or 97.8 centimeters by 69.9 centimeters. I'm very happy that I received this one, as I said a moment ago, because of my animals. 61 colors, including 3 Aurora Borealis and 4 fairy dust diamonds. Total diamonds, 110,433. Okay, so I had thought about not opening these just yet until I received my other mystery boxes, but I'm so used to opening my boxes as soon as they arrive that after sleeping on it for one night, I've decided I'm going to go ahead and unbox these so we can take a look at these canvases. Boundary Waters by James Meeker. This thing is pretty big. You know, it comes with your standard toolkit. I'm going to move the box to the table. And let's open up this baby and see what we have. Oh, look at how pretty. That is gorgeous. Oh, yes. That is so much prettier than what appears on the box. It's so dark on the box. But when you look at the canvas, it's gorgeous. We have the eagle here. I'm an Eagles fan. Philadelphia Eagles. And then we have the lovely sky and water with a waterfall coming down and a rock here with trees over here. And this is the color palette. The drills. Blues, light blues, lots of blues. I do like working with blue. Like Bluebird of Happiness, I enjoyed that. With some orange and yellow. Sorry for the crackling. I'm not going to open these though. I am going to look to see if it came with a trading card. It did. And it is bronze. And then it has the stickers and the picture. But it looks dark in the photo, but it's much brighter, and I know that it's gonna brighten up with the drills on it. And I'm pleased, I like this one. Of course, it's larger than what I prefer, but it is lovely. I couldn't see enjoying this one. We're gonna move on to the mystery box surprise that was in here. We had one never seen before, and this is it. And then there was a surprise kit and a mystery kit. I'm gonna save the mystery kit for last. But we're gonna roll this one back up. Okay, so our surprise kit that we got in mystery box one was Butterfly of Paradise, and I'm very happy with this one. And I plan on doing this one, and I'm going to keep this one. I have no intentions of getting rid of this butterfly. It is Butterfly by Paradise, Yuri Malkov, 33 by 22 inches or 84 by 56 centimeters. Let's look at our card. Ooh, let's see, it's probably a bronze. It is. It's a bronze. Stickers. This is a picture of it. Someone in the Facebook group said that it was an older kit. I'm aware of that, but it's still gorgeous. But it's not old to me, it's new. And it's in the new canvas with the new packaging. So for all intent and purposes, unless when I open it here in a moment, and if it doesn't have the perforated lines on it, the cover paper, the top part, plastic sheet, then I'll know it's really an older kit. But usually when I purchase these older ones from DiamondArtClub, they come with the new plastic covering with grid lines. Do it this way. Look at all the colors, abstract art. I love that. I'm gonna roll this one. The other one was pretty big, but I'm gonna roll this one. You know, as usual, we have the soft backing. This will help it lay down flat. I am very happy. I was so happy when I saw this. I'm gonna love this one. I'm not getting rid of this one. This one I will keep forever. And then let's look at the drills. Look at the color palette. Ooh, that's me. That's my color palette right there. Lots of different beautiful colors that are in the rainbow. I love this one, and I'm very pleased with it. So this one is animals. And for anyone that does not want to see the canvas for animals mystery kit, it is mystery kit 100. If you do not want to see it, thank you for watching this video, and now's a good time to end the video because I'm going to pull out the canvas, the drills, and we're going to take a look at this. And I'm not sure how much it'll give it away or not. I've never opened one before, so I couldn't tell you. But I appreciate you being here. Those of you who want to see the canvas, stick around. It's really heavy. 110,433 to be exact. There's that. And then it comes with this mystery card talking about etiquette. And if you are unboxing a mystery box on your YouTube, they just kindly ask if you could preserve the surprise element for others and just let people know so that it doesn't spoil it for others. Taking a look at the card, it is a silver, I believe. It is. It's a silver, not a bronze. And it just has the mystery kit and animal pets, and then the artist and the size. And this is what it looks like. It's basically black and white symbols that you follow. but I have not seen the drills, so that'll give us a better indication of what colors are in this kit. I'm not even sure which way. Oh my goodness, I don't even know. I'm trying to make sense of it. We'll come back to the drills. I'm gonna roll it so I can see it. It's a big one.
If people are correct, so one that I was hoping it is was animals. It has more than just cats in it. I'll just say that. Which is a, you know, I have such as in one land for days and that knowing, and I know that that animal is high, there's a high likelihood that it's in this one. So not a chihuahua. That I don't know what to do. I cannot tell you what it could be. Is it upside down? No. Okay. I really can't tell you. Oh, yeah, I don't know. Now, so what it's my understanding. It's my understanding that even though the symbols on the key code, sorry for any glare, you all, you can see on the stickers that they are not colored, but we have clearly have orange going on in here. And that, I believe, is that's supposed to help with migraines or headaches. I don't know. We have this thing going on over here. It looks like a big eyeball and like the head of a goat or something. And that is not what I'm expecting it to look like. So Diamond Art Club has done a fabulous job of not revealing what is on this canvas. The fun.
So we'll just wait and see. I couldn't tell you. Maybe I'd be better off not knowing. And these are the colors. Lots of orange and yellow and white, some blue and browns and yellow. Really bright yellow here. Anyway, that's the animal mystery kit. I'm very happy with this box. Thanks for being here with me today to open this mystery box from Cyber Monday.